Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Patriot North. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in bright white. It looks great. You do have your Jeep badging up front there with your halogen headlights and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here we do have our tires with our 17-inch rims. They look fantastic. Lots of tread left on them as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your North badging as well as your Jeep and your 4x4. You can open it up just right here. Looks great back here. Lots of room. Very soft as well. You also got your spare tire just underneath there and some additional storage on the side as well. You can fold those seats forward. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you and you don't have to go outside in the cold. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Plus, you do have a little bit of chrome accenting on your handle here, and some storage right down here. Looks fantastic in here. The cloth seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats right here and here. And right over here, we do have the controls over the lights. So our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our auto. Then we also have our fog lights and our in-cabin light control. Okay, let's start her up now. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now it does say down there that we have our trip A and our trip B, as well as the temperature outside and how many kilometers we have, 36,000, not too bad at all. That is control from right here, plus you have your horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. You do have the controls over windshield wipers right over here. In the center we do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display, so we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there. We also have our media tab here if we do have a disc or through our hard disk drive, which we can load music right onto. You do have volume right there. You can press the button right there and you can get access to your CD player. You also have your menu right here, your audio, your files, and then you also have your USB plug-in right there and your aux cord. Down here we do have the climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, the AC and heat. Then you also have where it's going to blow to plus your defrosts. Down here you do have your heated seats, traction control, hazard lights, and your heated seats for your passenger. Gear shift right here, your emergency brake, and some cup holders. Plus you do have your 4-wheel lock trigger right there. Open this guy up, you got a top layer on your armrest and a bottom layer right there. And right over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have the control of your windows. A little bit of that same chrome accenting handle here and storage just down there. Looks great in here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can pull this here and then fold this down just like that. And then you do have a little bit of additional storage. You can do the same with the other side. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Jeep Patriot North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.